morning, everyone. Today we are gonna do math induction, and we are gonna learn about it.
Math induction has 4 parts: verification, induction hypothesis, proof of induction, and conclusion.
Math induction is a way to prove if a certain equation is true or not.
Let's start.
So first is the verification. We must substitute a certain number to the both sides of the equation. So first, n is equal to 1. So 2, 1 minus 1 is 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 squared. And then 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 3. So both sides is equal to 1. So it's correct. So next, we must substitute n to 2. So first, 1 plus 2 times 2 minus 1 squared. 2 times 2 minus 1 is 3. And then 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. And then 3 squared is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2. So it's equal to 10. So verification is correct.
So for the second step, we do the induction hypothesis, wherein we assume that n equals to k is true. So notice that all the n's are replaced with k's. So the summation of 2i minus 1 squared from 1 to the k term is equals to k times 2k minus 1 times 2k plus 1 over 3.
The next step is the proof of induction. We have 2 parts. Adding the next term, substituting k plus 1. We start first with adding the next term. We get this side of the equation, substituted with k, and this side of the equation by substituting I with k plus 1. Now we do this. We have this equation. K times 2k minus 1 times 2k plus 1 over 3 plus 2 times k plus 1 minus 1 squared. It leads to this equation by distributive property. 2k squared minus k, 2k plus 1 over 3 plus 3 times 2k plus 1 squared over 3, so that we can add these fractions. We have 4k cubed plus 2k squared minus 2k squared minus k over 3 plus 3 times 4k squared plus 4k plus 1 over 3 with the square of binomial. This leads to this equation: 4k cubed minus k over 3 plus 12k squared plus 12k plus 3 over 3. And the last thing, 4k cubed plus 12k squared plus 11k plus 3 over 3. Next, we substitute k plus 1. We substitute k plus 1 to this side of the equation. We have k plus 1 times 2 times k plus 1 minus 1 times 2 times k plus 1 plus 1 over 3. This is this equation: k plus 1 times 2k plus 1 times 2k plus 3 over 3. To distribute the FOIL method, 2k squared plus 3k plus 1 times 2k plus 3 over 3. 4k cubed plus 6k squared plus 2k plus 6k squared plus 9k plus 3 over 3. Lastly, 4k cubed plus 12k squared plus 11k plus 3 over 3. Both equations are equal. Therefore, we prove that our induction hypothesis is true. And for the conclusion, the statement, the summation of 2i minus 1 squared from 1 to the n term equals n times 2n minus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 3 is true for all natural numbers.